guys, and welcome to day 2 of our 21 baby steps to an organized home with the Fly Lady system. Yes, yesterday we shined our sink. Now on day 2, we are all about dressing to shoes. Now let me tell you, when I started the Fly Lady system, this was one of the most different and unexpected thing that I thought she would say, which is you should always look good for yourself, even if you're just staying at home and cleaning the house and or doing housework. But for those of us who are working moms, we know that we are supposed to dress up anyway when you're going to work. I do hope you dress up when you're going to work. But now, even on those days when you're just staying at home, it's nice to take just the extra step to look nice, look good. You don't have to go all out with so much makeup, but just looking nice. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I go about dressing to shoes. And also, I'd like to mention the way someone said on the channel that, oh, why are you wearing shoes in the house? It's so unhealthy and all that. The Fly Lady suggests that we should have just shoes specifically for wearing in the house, which we call house shoes. You don't go outside with them, but they keep you going, because when you have shoes on, especially lace-up shoes, you tend to get more active. So anyway, let me show you how I dress to shoes. If you have not downloaded your handout, let me show you how it looks like. So this is the checklist that we're using to go about and to go on ticking our 21 baby steps. So make sure you download it in the link that I'll put down below and work with us every day. If you're just joining us, you're never too late. Let us do this together, and this is going to be a fantastic 21-day challenge to get our homes and ourselves to the next level. Now let's dress to shoes, girls. That is how I dress to shoes. Yes. So remember, in day 2, we will shine our sink and we will dress to shoes. Simple. Remember also your checklist, tick it. In fact, let me just go and put a check mark on mine for day 2, and I will see you tomorrow for day 3.